Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to be making a checkered bucket hat while I watch Judge Judy. So first you're going to do is you're going to put 12 double crochets into a magic circle. This is not going to be so much a tutorial, but really a look and learn. And then you're going to make regular increase rows. I think I did 4 or 5 increase rows. So yeah, you're just gonna pick your color scheme and do it whatever the count is for that row and just keep going. So that's what I did. So that's how I started mine off. You guys can see I let the video drag out a little bit because I wanted you guys to see. Now the hat is starting to form and it looks a little bright because the flash was on, and then at the end of the video you're gonna see that it's not so much bright. But yes, here is the hat, and I decided to do one more row contrasting, and then here is the final product. Thank you guys for watching. It's so easy. You can pause the video and look at how I did it. That's why I did it so close up. Thank you guys for looking at my videos. If you would like a longer tutorial, please get this video to 2K views and likes.